Okay, so being a cancer survivor and battling that disease head on, I realized that what more kung yung mga batang nagka-cancer, tapos makikita mo silang nahihirapan. And it took me time to choose my beneficiary because I really want to make an impact to the cancer community and give back. Diba? And for me, because I'm a mom of two, I want it to be for the children. And there is a place called Bahay Aruga. And what they do is, it's a non-government organization, and they take care of pediatric cancer patients. They house them for free while they are in treatment in PGH. Even yung families nila kasama dun sa housing. Kasi diba, swerte na lang tayo, we are in the metro. The good hospitals, as they say, the best hospitals are all here. Paano naman ang mga nasa province? Especially the people who cannot afford the logistics going here. Treatment itself, nakakaubos na ng pera. I've been there. Talagang naubos kami. What more, yung mga talagang hirap na hirap sa buhay and wala na talaga. Mamamatay na lang ba sila? Diba? Especially children. Kawawa naman. So, with Bahay Aruga, they not only provide shelter for children who are in treatment in PGH. They also provide jobs or skills and workshops for the parents, for the family, for the parents who are living there in the Bahay Aruga. Para yung mga parents may maiuuwing trabaho na alam na skill pagbalik nila sa probinsya. So it's very helpful for the cancer community, lalo na sa mga bata, para walang mamamatay, para matuloy yung treatments nila and hindi sila mag-give up just because hindi nila ma-afford ang quality care.